our sensory organs. The sensory organs. We come to know about many different things through some parts of our body, namely eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. They are called our sensory organs. Sensory organs are parts of our body which help us get information. Each sensory organ has a different function. Many a time, we use 2 or more sensory organs for the same purpose. Now, let us study each sensory organ in some detail. Eyes. What game are these children playing? Remember the funny things that happened when you played this game? We see with our eyes. Our eyes help us to read too. Eyes help us to get to know our surroundings. We can see different colors and other beautiful things in nature. We can tell the difference between day and night. Without our eyes, we will not be able to see. That is why the eye is an important sensory organ. Ear. Try this. Take 3 small boxes of the same size. Place a small stone in one box, a marble in the second, and a coin in the third. Shut the lid of each box and rattle it. Was the sound from each of these 3 boxes the same? How can you tell whether there is a crow, a sparrow, a bulbul, or a cuckoo nearby without seeing them? We can recognize these birds by their special calls, that is, the sounds they make. We hear all the different sounds around us, such as people's voices, twittering of birds, songs, honking of vehicles, etc., with our ears. We would be in great trouble if we could not hear. If we cannot hear very well, we can use a hearing aid. Some sounds are sweet to our ears. Some are harsh. Very loud sounds and noise are even harmful to our ears. Nose. Suppose you are blindfolded and someone places some mogra flowers in your hands. How do you know that they are mogra flowers? With our nose, we recognize the source of many special smells easily, such as the smell of incense sticks, flowers, fruits, even bhel, and the smell of the soil after the first summer shower. Tongue. Our tongue tells us the taste of things. It tells us whether something is sour, salty, bitter, or sweet. Hot is not a taste. When we eat something that has a lot of chilies, our tongue feels a hot, burning sensation. Skin. The outer covering of our body is called skin. The skin tells us about things that come in contact with it. If we touch a hot vessel, we feel its heat on the skin. If we hold ice for a long time, our hand hurts. The prick of a needle also hurts. Our skin tells us whether something is hot or cold, rough or smooth, sharp or blunt, etc. A special script has been devised to help blind people read. It is called Braille. A blind person feels the script with his or her hands to read it.